2, the smoke detector collection. I have the same things, but they're in a different order. This big pile's in a different order. Let's start at the top. It's a late model first alert. Here is a first alert. It was made in 2006, and in 2006 is when it was made, and it is. If I can get the mounting bracket off, I think it may be an SA303. I'm not for sure. Yes, it is an SA303. But the camera's out of focus, but that's okay. And here's another SA303 smoke alarm, and another one over here. SA303. See the log number? Yes, these are the same things. And here is another first alert. SA303. And we're done at the top. Now let's go to the next line, starting with a Nighthawk carbon monoxide alarm. I know in my last smoke detector collection, this was the last one, but this is the one that kind of reminded me of a Kitty carbon monoxide alarm, because Kitty made Nighthawk. And it's got that pull-out plug thing, and it uses a 9-volt battery as well, like the Kitty. Oh, I can't do this. This was made in March 4th, 2005, and its model number is KN COP 3, or COPE 3. And here's a Honeywell smoke detector. I'll have to get the model number of this and get this opened. Here we go. Let me see. I don't know what this says. But my camera's getting dark, so it's getting out of focus. But this doesn't say. So, yeah, and we'll get this back together, just like this, if I can. There. Well, the test button had come out. Let me put it back first. And I had. And here is that Sears that was in my last video of smoke detector collection. That Sears 462573581 that was made in January 30th, 1986. Here's the test button. I actually did a system test, but I didn't make a video. So yeah. Get this back and get on to the next one. Here is a first alert. SA67B. I know I had this in the last video as well. Had most of these in it. I had all of them in it actually. And you can see it's a first alert. And this is the fancier model of the SA67s. You see, it's got a silencing feature right here. Here's a button. Oh yeah, I even was missing its test button, which that's not okay. And now with the last one, which this one's not fancier. It's the first alert SA67D. This is not fancier version of the SA67. And let me show you the inside. That's the inside. And I don't know when this was made. It was assembled. Oh boy. I don't see the assemble date on it. You know, the one that I did, that fancier one, I didn't look at it either. Let me see if it's date. It even has one. Nope, looks like this one doesn't either. And that is it. My smoke detector collection part 2.